both, all right, pressure variation or pressure at the bottom of the cylinder, both have got the relation rho gh. H being the vertical height, h being the vertical height of the liquid, all right, rho is the density of the liquid, g is the acceleration due to gravity, and this relation, if you see carefully, it is independent of area of cross section of the cylinder. Independent of what? Independent of area of cross section of cylinder. It can be narrow, it can be wide, or it can be ultra wide, and so on. Doesn't matter. It can be thin tube. What matters is the vertical height and density, and G also. Area of cross section doesn't matter. All right. Area of cross section doesn't matter. It can be thin tube or very wide cylinder. In both cases, pressure will be rho gh. ठीक है? No problem. So let's continue further. This was done, and now we can see this is the hydrostatic paradox. ये देखिए क्या है? Suppose we have the different vessels, है ना? If you fill the water, different vessels connected with the common tube at bottom, closed at bottom also. ठीक है? Mute it. Whose mic is on? Why can't you join in time? Harshit, fix your mic. Mute it. Yeah. देखो, pay attention in the class. See, this is the vessels, different shaped vessels joined together at the bottom. If you fill the water or any other liquid in one of the vessel, what you find is level will be same in all the vessels, irrespective of their shape, irrespective of amount which can come. Why? Because why the level will be same? Because at the bottom pressure will be same, because it depends upon the vertical height. सभी जगह बॉटम में प्रेशर विल बी सेम, इवन हियर आल्सो. आप बोलेंगे यहाँ तो कम है, डजंट मैटर. यहाँ पर pressure will be applying the force upward and the wall will be applying the force downward. तो all the points देखो यहाँ पर, here, 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 everywhere pressure will be same because they are at same level, and liquid is static also. Getting or not? यहाँ पे आपको डाउट आएगा, ये तो ठीक है वर्टिकल हाइट है, यहाँ भी वर्टिकल हाइट है, यहाँ भी वर्टिकल हाइट है, यहाँ भी, बट हियर आल्सो यहाँ पर वर्टिकल हाइट जो है कम है, बट यहाँ पे यू सी दैट हियर इट इज नॉट ओपन टू द एटमॉस्फेयर, इट इज हियर इट इज क्लोज्ड. यहाँ पे लिक्विड इधर प्रेशर लगाएगा and this surface will apply the pressure downward. So here also pressure will be same at all the points A, B, C, D, E, F. Pressure will be same pressure. ठीक है? तो because same pressure is there, so level will be same. Wherever it is open to the atmosphere, level will be same. So fill the water or any other liquid in one of the vessels, the level in the 4 vessels is same, though they hold the different amount of water. Why it is so? I explained you, because pressure at the bottom will be same because all are at same level, all the points are at same level, and liquid is static. This is nothing but a hydrostatic paradox, independent of amount of water coming in the vessel. Even मैंने एक और ऐड कर दिया अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक में, केवल 3 है ये, this I have added D also, ये D है. even it is inclined, ऐसा, then also level will be same. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is called hydrostatic paradox. Amount can be different vessels, level will be same. Somebody asks you, write the short note, तो you make at least 2 vessels, at least ऐसा एक बना लीजिए, एक ऐसा बना लीजिए और एक ये बना लीजिए. At least 3 you make it. And क्या explain करना है? Fill the liquid in one of the vessel. In all the vessels, level will be same because pressure is same. Pressure depends. Pressure at the bottom will be same. So amount of water is immaterial coming in the vessel. ठीक है? So this is hydrostatic paradox. Static होना चाहिए liquid है ना? It should not be flowing. All right. और ये एक क्वेश्चन था, ये कल हो गया था ना, एब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर. This was done. Now one more question is there. ये वाला क्वेश्चन देखिए. No, this is also done. ये करना है ना, vertical offshore structure is built to withstand the maximum stress this much 10 to the power 9. The structure suitable for putting up on the top of the oil well in the ocean. एक मिनट, let me just go through again. Vertical offshore structure is built to withstand maximum stress this much. एक स्ट्रक्चर है, इतना स्ट्रेस सस्टेन कर सकता है. Is the structure suitable? You have to find out, is it suitable for putting up on the top of the oil well in the ocean? Oil well is inside the ocean. Take the depth of the ocean to be roughly 3 kilometer. तो 3 किलोमीटर डेप्थ पर ओशन के अंदर, यहाँ कहीं पर है 3 किलोमीटर. यहाँ पर वेल है, ऑयल वेल इज देयर. स्ट्रक्चर को यहाँ पुट करना है 3 किलोमीटर डेप्थ पर. तो प्रेशर कितना होगा? वन विल बी एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर, अदर विल बी HROG. You will find out the absolute pressure at the depth 3 kilometer. HROG plus atmospheric pressure. H is 3 kilometer 10 power 3. Rho is water 10 to the power 3 ले रहे हैं इसको. It is 1.03. So we can take it 1 10 to the power 3 and G is 10 and atmospheric pressure 10 to the power 5. So how much it is coming? 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 7 plus 10 to the power 5. कितना होगा? It will be 3 into 10 to the power 7. Yes? Am I written right or wrong? 10 to the power 5 को 10 to the power 5 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 10 to the power 5 can be written as 0.01 into 10 to the power 7. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
It will be 3.01
3.01 into 10 to the power.
10 to the power 7. So it is close to 10 power 7 only, है ना? चलो ऐसे ठीक है. Which is less than the maximum stress. Less than maximum stress. कितना है maximum stress? That is 10 to the power 9. Therefore, safe. Maximum stress it can sustain 10 to the power 9, whereas this much is the pressure, this much is the stress acting on it due to the depth of the water and atmosphere. 10 to the power 5. So safe है. Got it? Clear or not? आपने you
Yes,
have
sir.
calculated your pressure. You calculate your pressure and check it whether it is less than the maximum stress. It can sustain or more than. It is less. It is safe. दिस इज गिवन है ना, 10.9 इज गिवन। ये उसका जो मटेरियल है दैट कैन सस्टेन दिस मच स्ट्रेस। नो प्रॉब्लम।
Yes.
Okay. Yesterday we have seen absolute pressure. It is the total pressure, है ना? Pressure due to liquid column plus atmospheric pressure. Gauge pressure is how much? How do we measure the gauge pressure? Gauge pressure is absolute pressure
minus
minus
atmospheric,
minus
which is
atmospheric pressure. That is the
HROG.
gauge pressure. Yes, which is equal to H rho g. Na? Gauge pressure is H rho g, and that is the that is the pressure above excess pressure. We can say above the atmospheric pressure. That is pressure due to liquid column only, we can say. Na? So one more question. This next question is also good question. देखो, ये question up. Can you see this? A tank with the square base. उसका base ऐसे square है. Like this tank is there. One dimension view I have shown you. Area is, ये base area is given, which is not required in fact. Is divided by the vertical partition. ये vertical partition है उसमें. In the middle, the bottom of the partition is the small hinged door of area 20. नीचे hinge door है, it can open this side or this side. इधर भी खुल सकता है, इधर भी खुल सकता है. इसका एरिया जो है कितना है? 20 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. या the tank is filled with the water on one compartment. One side water is there and other side acid of relative density 1.7. This is more, this is denser. Is filled this side. In the other side, other, both the heights are 4 meter. ये पूरी height 4 meter है. Both the heights are 4 meter. ये बहुत छोटा है. This is small hinge door. इसका dimensions as far as heights are concerned we will neglect. Compare the force necessary to keep the door closed. Either which side force will be more? बोलिए, which side? Here is the door. Which side force will be more? F2 will be more or F1 will be more? Yeah, why?
Because the density of acid is more.
Density is. Yes, very correct. ये F2 will be greater. So what you have to do? You have to apply the extra force to keep it closed. So let's see. F is the force applied, ये वाला, and F1 is the force of the water, this one, and F2 other side force is force due to acid. ये force का F2 F1 F, this is F force due to acid only, and here is the force due to water, force due to H2O, and this is the force applied. ठीक, तो दोनों मिलके force due to acid होना चाहिए. तो applied force इसको इधर शिफ्ट कर दो. Force due to acid and force due to water. और force में क्या होता है? Pressure into area. Force is nothing but a pressure due to pressure into area. So pressure due to acid will be H rho g, and water also. I mean rho gh. तो rho acid का density rho 2 ले लीजिए. Rho 2 g and h common. Water का rho 1 ले लीजिए. H and rho common. Area of cross section also common. H is 4 meter given. इसकी density 1.7. Water की 1 10 to the power 3 common ले लिया. In fact ये 1000 है. ये 1.7 into 1000. 1000 taken out. G10 area of cross section 20 into 10 power 4 centimeter में था. 10 to the power minus 4. If you multiply and simplify it, it is 56 Newton. You have to apply the 56 Newton from the side of water to keep the door closed. आया समझ में? बोलो, इसमें किसी को पूछना है? कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि जिधर प्रेशर कम है उधर से आपको लगाना पड़ेगा. प्रेशर कौन सा कम होगा? वाटर का, बिकॉज डेंसिटी इज 1000, रिलेटिव डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर इज 1, relative density of liquid is acid is 1.7. At same depth, acid will apply more force, so you have to apply extra force from this side to keep the door intact. ठीक है, तो H rho G Allah formula and into area of cross section and putting the values 56. Clear? This is good question. In fact, you have to understand the question first, then put it properly. बोलिए, इसमें कोई डाउट है मानुश्री?
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन समझ में आया आपको? ये दिस इज गुड क्वेश्चन
Yes, sir.
फॉर नीट एग्जामिनेशन. अगर if you fill both side water, then what will be the answer? दोनों तरफ H2O भर दो, तब क्या आएगा?
We applied force
You don't have to,
zero.
zero. You don't have to apply any force because both side equal forces are there. You don't
They will
have,
balance each
don't
other
have to
out.
apply. Yeah, they will balance. You don't have to do anything. ठीक है, तो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है ये, इसको मीटर स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 10⁻⁻⁴, और ये डेंसिटी 1000 में है. 1000 हमने कॉमन ले लिया. देखो यहाँ पर ओनली यहाँ पर रिलेटिव डेंसिटी पुट किया. व्हाट इज द रिलेटिव डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर? 1. वाटर को वाटर से ही डिवाइड करेंगे ना. रिलेटिव
That will
डेंसिटी
be
क्या
one.
होती है? 1 only for water it will be 1. Relative density is the density of substance divided by density of water. तो वाटर की निकालनी है दोनों. Density of water 1 हो जाएगी. Relative density of water will be 1.
Yes.
ठीक है. Always solving you should do your own. ये मत देखो, अपने आप सॉल्व करके देखो. Calculations will be faster and accurate. Let's move further. Let's see what is the next one. Done. This is done.
Yes, sir. So done.
Okay. Let's see further. Yesterday we have seen Torricelli's barometer, which is used to measure the pressure of atmosphere. Now, एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट देखिए, इसमें यहाँ तक हो गया था कल. एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट में देखो, pressure equivalent of 1 millimeter of Hg, 1 millimeter of mercury is called a torr. एक मिनट, थोड़ा सा मैं यहाँ पे ठीक कर दूं. 1 millimeter of Hg is called torr on the name of Torricelli. Torricelli के नाम से भी यूनिट है एक, which is 1 torr. If you calculate by rho GH formula for 1 mm, है ना, तो it comes to be 133 Pascal. 1 torr is 133 Pascal. It is used in the medical science. Medicine में use करते हैं torr and all, है ना, but it is not used in numericals in the physics. But this you should remember. It is given in your textbook. They can ask you 1 torr is how much. If you forget, you have to find out. 1 torr निकालने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? 1 torr के लिए 1 millimeter H rho G, rho GH, तो निकाल सकते हैं. Rho will be how much? 13.6 into 10 power 3, G 9.8, H 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter means 1 into 10 to the power कितना? -5. तो सॉल्व करके देखेंगे, इतना आ जाएगा. So it is used in medical science and in meteorological department, weather forecasting में. Meteorology, 1 bar is used. 1 bar pressure is nothing but exactly 10 to the power 5 Pascal. It is slightly less than 1 atmosphere. 1 barometric pressure we call it. 1 bar is 10 to the power 5 Pascal exactly. तो मैं वेदर डिपार्टमेंट वाले ये बार यूज कर या
Sir, 1 mm will be 10 raised to -3 meters.
हाँ सॉरी 10 millimeter था ना, सॉरी 1 millimeter. I told I think 10 power -5 by mistake I told you. 1 millimeter. Milli stands for 10 to the power -3 and m meter stands as it is. ठीक है, 1 millimeter जब पुट करेंगे 10 to the power -3 you will put it. Thank you. Clear? So these are the extra points you given in our NCERT book. All right. Now there is one more instrument called manometer. Okay, इसकी question देख लें क्या? One question related to that atmospheric pressure. इसके question देखते हैं. One is the solid example. The density of atmosphere at sea level is 1.29 SI unit. Assume that it doesn't change with the height, with the altitude. Then how high would the atmosphere extend? अगर आप डेंसिटी ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर 1.29 ले लें तो कितनी हाइट तक एज्यूम कर लें, इट डजंट गो, इट रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट थ्रू आउट, तो हाउ मच विल बी द हाइट ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर? तो सेम फार्मूला, P is equal to rho GH, तो H will be P atmosphere upon rho G. तो ये कितना लेंगे 1.013 into 10 power 5 रो दिया 1.29 ये वाला and G 9.8 लिया. If you solve it, it will come how much? इतना आ जाएगा. देखो H will be this much, roughly 8 kilometer, whereas atmosphere is not up to 8 kilometer, it is hundreds of kilometers. Because why? Because density is decreasing, air density, atmospheric density is going down, it doesn't remain constant. So let's see what they are given. यहाँ से इन्होंने कैलकुलेट कर लिया, एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर इज दिस मच एंड डेंसिटी ये G 9.8, H की वैल्यू निकाल ली 7989 which is roughly 8 kilometer. In reality, the density of air decreases with the height, so does the value of G also. G is also decreasing, 9.8 से कम हो जाता है. The atmospheric cover extends with the decreasing pressure over the 100 kilometers. We should also note that the sea level atmospheric pressure is not always 760 millimeter of Hg. A drop of the Hg level by 10 millimeter or more is the sign of the approaching storm. अगर जब साइक्लोन या स्टॉर्म आते हैं तो there is the pressure difference 10 millimeter drop indicates there is the nearby somewhere storm is approaching. Because of that pressure drops 760 से कम हो जाएगा. 760 ये काम 760 है ना, हम 760 मिलीमीटर, ये देखो एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर हमने कैलकुलेट किया था 76 सेंटीमीटर which will be 760 millimeter. That's what the value they have mentioned here. मिलीमीटर में 760 हो जाएगा. Got it? प्रेशर ड्रॉप हो जाता है if cyclone or storm is approaching somewhere. Lull before the storm we call it, है ना? All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you use the water in place of mercury in the barometer, Torricelli's barometer, then what will happen? यहाँ पे अगर हमने वाटर यूज किया, तो इसमें वाटर फिल करना पड़ेगा आपको। देन व्हाट विल हैपन, देन यू कैन फाइंड आउट द हाइट, कितनी हाइट का लेना पड़ेगा ट्यूब आपको। तो इन दैट केस हाइट विल बी more than 10 meters. So you have to have very lengthy tube, huge tube. 10 meter is quite a big tube. It will be unmanageable. इतनी बड़ी ट्यूब जो है मुश्किल होगा उसको सस्टेन करना. That also glass tube will create more problem. Of course plastic tube ले सकते हैं which will not break, but it will be very lengthy, more than 10 meters. अच्छा चले, ask you one more question here based on this. देखो suppose यहाँ पे आप होल कर दें, if you make the hole here, then will the liquid come out like this? इसमें से mercury will come out? Answer is yes or no? Answer is no. Why no? Because यहाँ पर pressure is same. At this point pressure is 1 atmosphere. यहाँ पे less than 1 atmosphere. Outside is 1 atmosphere. Outside pressure is 1 atmosphere. Inside the tube at height it is decreasing. So outside atmosphere will not allow the liquid to come out. Even if you make the hole here, अगर आप यहाँ पे होल करेंगे तो outside pressure will not allow the liquid to come out, because inside pressure is less than 1 atmosphere. As you go up, pressure of liquid, the column of the liquid is dropping, pressure of liquid will be less, and when you come down at this point, here the pressure will be same as that of the atmospheric pressure, because both the points are same level in same liquid. ठीक है, तो होल करने से लिक्विड नहीं आएगा. नाउ यू टिल्ट द ट्यूब को अगर टिल्ट कर दे आप, ऐसा टिल्ट करेंगे, देन हाइट विल इंक्रीज till the vertical height become 76 सेंटीमीटर. अगर आपने टिल्ट कर दी ट्यूब तो थोड़ा सा लिक्विड ऊपर जाएगा till vertical height becomes 76, because pressure depends upon the vertical height only, not the inclined height. तो tilt करने से, bend करने से inclined height will increase. It will be more than 76 centimeter of mercury. Getting these points, extra points? Are you understanding the extra point which I am explaining you? These are useful for competitive examinations, those who are going for that. आप निकाल सकते हैं एक्स्ट्रा हाइट कितनी है यहाँ पर, ऐसे एंगल पे डिपेंड करेगा. ये एक्स्ट्रा हाइट इज h dash and inclined height h dash. This is h. Cos theta will be h upon h dash. h dash will be h upon cos theta. अगर आप 60 डिग्री एंगल पे बेंड कर देते हैं, cos 60 is 1/2. Inclined height will be 2h. So you have to have the bigger length of the tube. ठीक है, तो why? Because pressure depends upon the vertical height, that we are going to prove somewhere in the next topics. Vertical height जो h has to be vertical height. ग्रेविटी के साथ डील कर रहे हैं. Vertical height matters. Gravity is the conservative force. चलो आगे देखेंगे. एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स बता दिए मैंने. ये देखो जो मैं आपको बता रहा था ना, वाटर यूज करेंगे तब हाइट कितनी आएगी. यहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या यूज किया है? फ्रेंच वाइन यूज कर रहे हैं. दे आर यूजिंग द फ्रेंच वाइन. टोरसिलीज बैरोमीटर यूज्ड mercury. Pascal duplicated it using the French wine of density 984 SI unit. Determine the height of the wine column for normal atmospheric pressure. Again same formula. So P atmosphere is H rho G or rho G H. So atmospheric pressure is, actual pressure is this much. H we have to find out. Rho is French wine का density put कर दी G 9.8. If you solve it, 10.5 meter, quite a big height. This question can be asked, easy question. Question number 6 of the exercise. So this is important, you can write important. Yes, Aishwarya, is it okay? Are you comfortable? Just unmute and reply. No answer coming means not in the class. Are you there?
So can you repeat the name?
Aishwarya.
Okay, sorry, sir. I
Again.
thought you were calling my name.
No, not Shreya. Aishwarya, you are not replying. It means not in the class. Very sorry. Don't do like that. Class में आप some of you join and then leave the class है ऐसा भी हो रहा है? You are not replying means what does it indicate? Joining and then going away and not in the class. Noted?
Yes, sir.
All right. So the next one is the open tube manometer. Can we do it after the break? Open tube manometer बाद में करेंगे break के बाद because there will be disconnection. So join again. No break means you have to rejoin again without taking break. I'm ending the class now and restarting again.